Extreme Urgency Broadcast. Final Emergency Protocol. This is a national emergency message. We interrupt all programming at the request of the White House and the CDC. Immediate action is required. This is not a test. Designation: Global Extinction Event. Pathogen: Nova-9. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention confirms the catastrophic escalation of the Nova-9 supervirus. The global death toll has exceeded all historical models. Independent population assessments indicate the total surviving human population on Earth is now below 1 million individuals. The United States of America is the only coordinated national government confirmed to be operational. All other countries are designated as dead zones, exhibiting either zero remaining population or insufficient organization to confirm official status. Absolute mandatory survival protocols. The following protocols are the only authorized defense measures for the preservation of life. Absolute isolation. All individuals must initiate immediate and total self-isolation. All forms of public gathering and external contact are strictly forbidden. Survival is contingent upon zero social interaction. Respiratory fortification. Continuous use of N95 or superior grade air filtration is mandatory. The risk of airborne viral persistence is designated as imminent catastrophe. Resource conservation. Individuals must prepare for extended total self-sufficiency. External supply chains are permanently defunct. All unauthorized travel is prohibited. Final warning. The effectiveness of these measures represents your last organized defense against complete societal dissolution. Do not panic. Remain isolated. Ration strictly. May God be with you all.